I didn't even know what color it was under all that dirt.
Every rinse showed another scar. This thing had been ignored for a long time.
I already knew the wheels were done.
The smell hit me instantly.
This felt more like cleaning a storage unit than a vehicle.
No way anyone was sitting on that again. That's when I realized how bad it really was.
Nothing up front was usable.
Every bolt fought back.
I was nervous about what I'd find under here.
This engine hadn't been touched in years.
At this point, there was no turning back.
It looked worse, but this was the start.
The wiring was a mess. This thing needed silence again.
Slowly, it started feeling normal.
That seat tells you everything.
Stopping mattered more than speed. That moment surprised me.
This was overdue.
I didn't rush this part.
I didn't expect it to work.
But it did. I wanted this part done right.
This was the first real upgrade.
Everything rubber was done.
This should have been replaced years ago.
Cooling was non-negotiable.
It wasn't perfect, but it was alive.
This was real progress. This was the first time it saw the sun again.
This part took patience.
That color brought it back. This is where it changed.
I didn't rush this either.
Every detail mattered.
This felt unreal.
It finally felt like BMW again.
This was no longer abandoned.
I wasn't expecting this.
It started turning heads.
These changed everything. This was someone's home once.
That shine wasn't there before.
This didn't feel real.
From junk to this. I couldn't believe I saved it.
This was worth every dollar.
That sound, I'll never forget it.
It was actually running.
This used to be completely dead.
From abandoned to alive.
I was shaking driving it.
It felt brand new.
It felt like home again.
I finally relaxed.
This view hit different.
It deserved a second life. It was alive again.
This was luxury.
No one would believe this story.
From forgotten to priceless.
Grandpa almost gave up on it.
I'm glad I didn't.
This was just the beginning. I saved it.
And I'd do it again.
$700. No regrets. This one was special.